Hey guys, we're going to go check on our chickens.
All right, evening stroll to the
Chicken.
to see the chickens. What do you think they're gonna eat tonight?
Feed. Feed is basically just corn.
Corn.
Corn and I don't know. I haven't feed them in a while. So.
Oh, let's go see if they have enough water. It's been hot. 102 is the hottest I saw today. So gotta make sure they have enough water.
So we're out here with the chickens, and there are 3. We have 3, and 2 of them are leghorns. One of them is
Crevicore.
a caricore. I will not remember that. So here are the chickens. So that one's just like curious. There's one behind there. I bet you he's hungry. Oh, there he is. Or she. She is curious too. Like, so here are the chickens. Oh, I already said that. Do you think, oh, it's hot. Do you think keep them? Oh, we have some eggs over there. So chickens lay eggs, and somebody needs to pick them. So I'm gonna pick. Not pick them. Grab. So we have 3. And they're about the same size. One of them is small. But we found like a small one like last month. Like it was really small. About that small.
What's your favorite thing about having chickens?
Their eggs.
What's your favorite kind of egg to eat? How do you like your eggs?
I like them scrambled.
Scrambled?
Cause I like when you scramble them, when you scramble them, and they have like peppers and
An omelet.
an omelet. It's really good. You should try it.
Yeah, we do omelets with onions and peppers, sauteed in butter, and then we add the egg and a little bit of cheese, and it makes for a great breakfast. So a little tip, if you are cooking your own omelet, in the freezer section of Walmart, they have the frozen vegetable onion and pepper packs for like $2. So I just keep that in the freezer, and then when we have omelets, I grab some out and saute them before I put the eggs in with the cheese and butter.
And we have breakfast.
And they have breakfast, and it's all, and everyone comes running. They're like, "Ooh, is someone cooking onions?" And because I have several that love their onions and peppers, and so it makes good omelets, quick and easy. And you don't have, I mean, if you have fresh onions and peppers from your garden, great. But if you don't, that's easy and cheap-ish. Especially if the eggs are free, then I feel like I can justify buying the frozen vegetables. So that works out. We'll have to see what other kind of egg dishes we can make. I've been thinking about making some of the breakfast tacos and yeah. So with some sausage and eggs, and wrap them up, and then you can warm them up, or biscuits. We'll have to look into that. Maybe we'll do a cooking. This girl likes to cook. Caroline loves to cook. In fact, she has Caroline's cookies that we sell every once in a while when she's trying to raise money for something. And we make a batch of them as frozen cookie dough, and she sells them, and that way people can pop them in their oven whenever they're needing cookies.
And about 50.
Yeah, there's about 50 in the cookie dough ball batch. And she sells them right around the holidays usually for a little extra moolah in her pocket. But she's my baker.
Bring the money. Bring the
money. She's my one who loves to cook. So.
And I have like this mini cooker thing.
So I think she's gonna end up being some kind of, I don't know,
chef.
You never know. We never know. We'll have to wait and see. Maybe it'll be like a farm to table chef and grow your own vegetables
And maybe me and you could like have another channel about cooking.
Oh, maybe we can have our own Caroline's cooking channel.
And then we could teach her how to make like stuff.
Maybe. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Special YouTubes. For all my preteen YouTube fans. Anyway. All right. Well, that's it for checking on the chickens tonight.
Happy 4th of July. Well,
but it's not
late.
4th of July anymore.
Late 4th of July.
We've been staying up late watching the fireworks, as I'm sure everyone else has, and it is about bedtime because we have some cranky kiddos.
Really?
Really? Mm-hmm.
No.
We need a little more sleep in this house.
No, we don't. No, we don't.
All right.
I'm fine with sleeping at 9.
All right. Do you want to sign off?
Thanks for watching. See ya.
Hey guys, what I'm doing tonight is just kind of spraying some of the poison ivy that's around the fence, around the perimeter. What I've got here is just kind of a brush killer. It's made by Fertilome. I just got it at Atwood's, our local ranch and farm store. And I think you mix like 4 to 6 fluid ounces with a gallon of water. And this is just a gallon sprayer from Lowe's, I guess, or Home Depot, wherever I got it. So trying to kill some of that stuff out. It's kind of growing wild and trying to help get rid of it so the kids don't get into it. The difference between brush killer and Roundup is brush killer primarily focuses on like broadleaf weeds such as poison ivy and clover and like crabgrass. I think it'll kill, but it's supposed to not kill Bermuda grass. But right now we're in this heat wave drought, so it'll probably hit the Bermuda a little bit if you spray too much on there. But I hear it places we don't care too much. It'll kill like your mule tails that I've got growing, all these tall weeds and stuff. It'll kill all that stuff. And kill the crabgrass. It'll kind of hit some of the Bermuda some, and it may make it turn yellow, but it'll come back out. Yeah, I'm just trying to get rid of some of the weeds and kind of clean up around here. They'll look different in about 2 or 3 weeks whenever that brush killer starts taking effect. Some of that brush was 20 feet tall.
So Luke, who do you got here?
This is my sister's turtle.
Your sister's turtle. She's big into turtles, Savannah is. And she's off at camp this week, trying to meet some new kiddos and Kawita at church camp. So hopefully she's having a great time down at Falls Creek. And Luke got left with the responsibility of
Turtle
babysitting. Turtle sitting. How's turtle sitting going, Luke?
I don't really know. She wants to bite me.
She wants to bite you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at those claws.
Hello.
So how do you care for a turtle, Luke?
So I feed him a big old fish and a couple bugs and fill up the water. And if the bedding gets dirty, I go refill it, and that's...
So you've been catching fish for the turtle? That's awesome. What kind of fish does he like?
Little bluegill.
Bluegill? You've been giving him all the minnows? Has he been eating some bugs?
Well, I haven't seen them, but when I woke up and I put them in a specific spot and they're all gone.
Oh. Let's get a close-up of...
Bluegill.
I forgot what Savannah named her.
Yeah, me too.
We just assumed it was a girl. Because Savannah liked her. Do you know how to tell if a turtle is a boy or a girl?
Yeah, the coloration in her.
The coloration? So is this a boy or a girl turtle?
Girl.
Where's she going?
She's going to outer space.
Bring her back over here.
I'll bring her over here.
Need a little exercise?
Yeah. You've been in your hidey hole all day. Someday we're planning to make like a big thing so we can put all of our turtles in. So we want to release them.
A turtle habitat?
A little, like, you know, they like a little place like, so then Dad can make it and we can put a log in there. We can put a round hole in this and then they can go in there.
No, I'm trying to.
So my name is, I don't know. You see his face? Isn't she cute? Isn't she one of the cutest little guys? Isn't she just the cutest little turtle ever? Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos. Peace.